Did you know Pinterest isn't just for finding recipes and DIY projects? It's also a goldmine for earning money online. Yes, you heard that right. Pinterest can be your next big income stream if you know how to leverage its potential. Whether you're a blogger, business owner, or someone just starting out, Pinterest offers countless opportunities to monetize your skills and ideas. Ready to turn those pins into profit? Let's jump into this step-by-step guide on how to earn money from Pinterest. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on making money online and building your digital empire. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Now, let's explore how Pinterest can help you earn big. What we'll cover: why Pinterest is great for earning, setting up your Pinterest business account, affiliate marketing on Pinterest, driving traffic to your blog or website, selling products directly, offering services via Pinterest, ad revenue potential, building sponsored partnerships, creating and selling Pinterest templates. Key strategies for success. Why Pinterest is great for earning. Pinterest isn't just another social media platform. It's a visual search engine with over 450 million active users every month. The best part? Users on Pinterest are often in buying mode, looking for products, ideas, and inspiration. This makes it the perfect platform for monetization. Setting up your Pinterest business account. To start earning money, switch to a Pinterest business account. It's free and gives you access to analytics, ad tools, and more. Optimize your profile with a professional photo, an engaging bio, and links to your website or online store. Affiliate marketing on Pinterest. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to earn money on Pinterest. Find affiliate programs in your niche and share pins with your affiliate links. Every time someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. Pro tip: use tools like Tailwind to schedule and manage your pins for maximum reach. Driving traffic to your blog or website. If you're a blogger or website owner, Pinterest is a powerhouse for driving traffic. Create visually appealing pins that link back to your content. Use keywords in your pin descriptions and titles to make them searchable. More traffic means more ad revenue and potential sales. Selling products. Directly, Pinterest is a great platform for selling physical or digital products. If you have an Etsy store or a Shopify site, create eye-catching pins to showcase your items. Use rich pins to include pricing and product details directly on your posts. Offering services via Pinterest. Are you a freelancer, coach, or consultant? Pinterest can help you find clients. Create pins that highlight your services, testimonials, or success stories. Link them to a landing page where people can book your services. Pinterest ad revenue potential. Although Pinterest doesn't directly share ad revenue like YouTube, you can use ads to promote your pins and drive sales. Pinterest ads are cost-effective and highly targeted, making them a smart investment for growing your income. Building sponsored partnerships. Brands are always looking for influencers on Pinterest to promote their products. Build a strong following and reach out to brands in your niche for sponsored collaborations. Showcase your work to prove your influence. Creating and selling Pinterest templates. If you're good at graphic design, sell Pinterest templates on platforms like Creative Market or Etsy. These templates are in high demand as businesses and influencers look for professional-looking pins to grow their accounts. Key strategies for success. Consistency is key. Post new pins daily to stay active and grow your audience. Focus on quality. High-quality, visually appealing pins perform better. Leverage keywords. Use keywords in your pin titles, descriptions, and board names to improve discoverability. Analyze performance. Use Pinterest analytics to track which pins perform best and refine your strategy. Engage with others. Comment on and save other users' pins to increase your visibility. And that's how you can start earning money from Pinterest. Whether you're into affiliate marketing, selling products, or creating content, Pinterest has something for everyone. Which method are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more money-making tips. See you in the next video.